Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to scan your network to find the different devices that are operating on the same network with you, like operating on the same local area network that you are connected to. I'm also going to show you how you can get more information about those devices that are also connected to your network. Now, this is important if you want to hack into a device or a system that is operating on the same network as you, that's on the same local area network. Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to be using two tools here, which is Netdiscover and Nmap. Netdiscover is used to kind of find out all the devices that are on the same network with you, right? So it Netdiscover will tell you the name of the device, the IP address, and so on, right? And then we have Nmap, which is short for network mapper. Nmap is used to get more information about the device on your network. So let's start. I'm going to open the terminal. Right, I'm going to open the terminal, and once that is open, I'm going to type in sudo netdiscover. Right, so sudo netdiscover. When I type that in, when I press enter, ask me for the password. When I put in the password, right, so Netdiscover has started to work, right? So it's currently scanning my local area network to find all the different devices that are there. And as you can see, these are the different information I am going to get about the devices. So I'm going to get the device's IP address. I'm going to get the device's MAC address. I'm going to get the MAC vendor host name and so on, right? These are the information I'm going to be getting. As you can see, it's already started scanning, and it's gotten the first device, and I can see the IP address of the device here, right? I can see the MAC address of the device, and I can also see some information about the vendor, but it couldn't get the MAC vendor in this instance. But yes, this is how Netdiscover works. Now, if you're on a local area network where there are lots of devices operating on that network, right, you'll be able to, in real time, see the different devices operating on your network, right? But in my local area network, I currently have just a few devices operating here, so it's taking some time to get them. So Netdiscover is done scanning my network. As you can see, these are all the devices I currently have operating on my local area network. As I said, this is just my home network. If you are in, or if you had more devices connected to your network, let's say 20, 30, 40 devices, you're all going to see information about them appearing here, right? So let's say we've gotten all this information, and the device we want to hack into, right, is this device, right? This device with this MAC address and this IP address, right? So what do we do? Now we can use a tool called Nmap, right, to get more information about that particular device, right? So how do we do that? I'm gonna just copy the IP address here. I'm gonna copy it, and I'm going to type in sudo nmap, right? And I'm going to paste the IP address, right? And I'm going to press enter, right? So as you can see, Nmap has given me some information about this device, right? It's told me the ports that are are open, right? You can see all the ports on the device. I can also see the state if these ports are open or closed, and I can also see the services that these ports are running, right? As you can see HTTP is currently running on port 80. Now this is good because if I know the ports that are open, I can better know what attack to use on this particular device. So I can also get more information, right, about the device. For example, I can know the version, right, the services are running, right. How do I do that? So I just type in sudo nmap -sv, right, and I paste in the IP address of the device, right. SV is service version. So when I press enter, right, it scans the device, right, and in a few seconds it's going to give me the version of each service. I'm going to know the version each of these services here are running. Now it's done, and as you can see, Nmap has not only given me the ports that open on the device, the services that open on the device, it has also given me the versions, each service on that particular device is running on. Now this is important because it then helps you to properly research which attack to use, or research the vulnerability that each version of a service has. For example, we can see that HTTP, right, which currently runs over port 80, is operating with this version of Apache. Now, Apache is a web server, a software it's using a web servers, right? So it's operating with this version of Apache. Now we can just copy this, right? Copy this and go to the browser, right? And just paste that in and type in vulnerabilities, right? And just scour the web for information. So as you can see, there are different websites, that have written on the different vulnerabilities this version of Apache has. And now we can read on this, take notes, and properly plan an attack, right? So this is why this is very important. So basically, you can use Nmap to get more information on your target and properly know what attack to use, or what vulnerability, right, the version of the service is running, right. So that's going to be all in this video. In the next video on this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to use this information we have gathered, right, to properly hack into a device. We're going to be hacking into a Windows machine in the next video, and I'm going to show you how we can use this information, right, we've gathered here to now go in and attack a system and hack it. So do like, subscribe, and share so you do not miss out on that video when I drop it. Thanks for watching. Peace.